What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I just want to record this quick video. I just kind of want to, I'm not even sure if I can capture this on video because I did a lot of fixings here and there. Just kind of want to put that into this video just to kind of document it. I replaced a lot of plastics pieces, a lot of small details here and there that I just kind of want to put into this video and show you guys. So since my last video, I was installing the tail lights and the badge and just doing little detail pieces here and there. As you can see, the front lip is now an OEM style 997.2. I am still replacing the bumper. It's just I don't want to use the GT3 cup lip anymore because it was just scraping everywhere. It sits far too low compared to the stock, so this solves that problem for the meantime. And I did inspect all the parts. We inspected it in the mechanic shop, what else we need to replace the bumper. So pretty much around $1,800 worth of miscellaneous parts. I already got the bumper face, which is the most expensive part. I got the light, fog light, secondary light assembly. I'm getting that restored. It's a little cloudy, so I'm getting that restored from with my detailer. I already dropped off the part, and that's it for the front. As you can see, yeah, wheels are still the same. I don't know my plans for the wheels yet. They are painted. They are not perfect condition. Maybe I could I don't know, polish them. Yeah, so I don't know what to do with them yet. I have to remove them and see what really inspect it, see what it really looks like. But other than that, that's okay. There's the body is okay. There's a lot of nicks and scratches here and there. The rear. So here's what the rear looks like now, with the tail light swap from all reds to the red and clear. As you can see there. I also have the badge back on. For me, it really looks complete the way it is right now. So it just needs the badge. I mean, it's black on black, so you barely notice the badge anyway. So I don't see the point of removing it. So the muffler tip here, it's this one is like a generic. I'm not sure if it's generic, but it's not like a well-known brand exhaust. So it's using a muffler tip. The bolts are a little rusted. I'm still kind of researching what exhaust I'm gonna replace it with. So that's gonna stay for now. Look at the interior. Pardon the all the other bags here. My camera's in here. What I've done with the interior is, of course, replace the. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I do all everything. Every time I change something, I post it on my stories or anything. And so you guys, if you want to stay up to date with it, and follow me there. But so I've done a lot of work. Not significant like you can't see, but I've done a lot of cleaning inside here. The seats were super dried up when I got the car, so I did a lot of just conditioning and everything. It looks different now. It looks really different now. Before, it was just ashy and dry. So cleaned it. Steam cleaned it, microfiber cleaned everything, and conditioned it a lot, for several days, until all the skin of the leathers kind of hydrated itself from all the conditioner I put on it. It's completely different looking now from when I got the car, seriously. So I did replace my shifter and shift boot assembly. Finally, there was a rip on mine here, and I cleaned all the Alcantara here, the steering wheel, and the e-brake and the shifter. So I gotta say, I never handled Alcantara before. So what I did was a very warm water with microfiber and the Sonax Alcantara cleaner. So I spray it liberally everywhere, on the whole Alcantara. I rub it in by hand, and then I let it kind of soak in to the fibers for a couple minutes, and then I go through it with the wet, damp microfiber towel. And seriously, that method for me, it worked. It's really massaging it and kind of cleaning all the surfaces of the Alcantara everywhere. And how I found out it's working is when I wring the towel in the sink, all the dirt, it actually comes off of it. Like it really collects all the dirt doing that method. So right now it feels super clean. Like it feels super nice. It's not like nappy kind of like oily feeling. So it is textile, so it's like cloth. It's like a, basically imagine this is a 2007 car, original steering wheel. So from 2007, everyone's dirty hands have been touching it. I don't know how long it's been cleaned or it's ever been cleaned. So all that dirt and grime has been there until I don't know, until I cleaned it like a couple days ago. So that method really, like, it's completely like, it's like wiping the floor with a towel and then wringing it in the sink, and you can see all the dirt come off. It's crazy dirty. So now I washed it a couple times and there's no more dirt coming off. So it's literally like a towel, the Alcantara material. So that's kind of surprising to me. I also steam cleaned the carpets and carpet cleanered it and all that stuff. Like I said, it's like minimal things, but like it's like details, you know, like when you're in here, it feels clean, it feels good. I don't know, you know, like it's not like a complete like overhaul restoration or anything, but it's more of a putting your personal touches into it, so you feel kind of good having it. So now, but I still have scuffed plastics here. I don't know if I'm gonna live with that or replace them. I probably will replace it. It depends on how long I keep the car for. But I just address things that matters to me, which is, of course, you're always interfacing with the interior here, so your seat, your controls. So I clean those because I'm always interfacing with them. A lot of plastics here are, you know, scratched up and gouged and stuff like that. So, you know, someone said on the comments like, this looks pristine, but like that's the difference between what you see on the video and actually looking at it in person. And it also depends on your standards, you know. So if this is okay to you, some people like, this is okay, you don't have to do anything. But for me, I kind of like chasing perfection. You can't really get it, but I just like the chase of it. So there's a lot of plastic trim here that are loose that I have to still replace. I'm working on like something about the headliner, that thing. I still have to investigate that. I have missing coat hooks on both sides. I have those parts ordered. The seatbelt covers I returned, so this wasn't here before, so I bought two. This is expensive. This is like 100 plus per side, like almost 200 or something. It's really expensive for some reason because it includes the shell, the controls, everything. So it's the whole assembly. Trim pieces here are misaligned, so I had to like take apart this shifter mechanism console, a little bit of the center console, and put them back on properly. So I guess somebody worked on this before and never put it back on properly. So as you can see, the lights, like I said, the lights have been changed to LEDs. As you can see down here, those bulbs are burning hot, like the incandescent. So I replaced all of them with LEDs. So very easy process, very easy install. That was one of the easiest one. Coming around here, the shifter surround also was replaced because it was so beat up from over the years of people putting the key in. And for a nice touch, I added the Porsche key tag into my key. Yeah, so far this is where it is right now as of this moment. There's gonna be more changes as I go along, owning this car for maybe one more year. I mean, I anticipate to own this car for one more year because I'm really kind of aiming for an RS, but we'll see how much I love this car, end up falling in love with it, see if we keep it. But you know, but for now, this is what I do, is I kind of just try to clean and personalize it the best I can, so that works for me. And what else? Oh, actually this thing, so when the fuel door, when I got it, was just loose, flopping around. So now you can see that there's a detent, like it stays. So that's fixed. So I still have to, I bought a new fuel cap because I haven't attached it, the tether. I still have to pull that off and put this on because the old one, this thing was ripped. So or this was missing, the tether. So I want something with a tether so it looks complete. It's supposed to look like that. So I'm gonna fix that. And so far that's it. Like I said, it's a pretty quick video, 10 minutes so far. And yeah, the trunk, no story on the trunk. It's just it's standard, nothing to say there. everything's generally clean. So I looked at it over. I cleaned every single part of it. It's really just a 32,000 mile car, rough around the edges, but I guess over time we'll start to refurbish, either touch up, or the rocker panels are a little beat up. I don't know if I'll repaint those, but we'll see. But so far, this is just a kind of like a spot check, and give you guys a quick update on what's going on. So, all right. If you guys watched this video and liked it, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next one.